So hello and welcome to Fabian Electric. I hope you guys are hearing me. Let's see here. Okay, so hello and welcome back to Fabian Electric. What Fabian Electric do? We serve the GTA and surrounding areas, pot light installation, electrical installation, conduit installation, etc., residential and commercial. So don't forget to join the channel, hit the subscribe button, or become a member of the channel, where we will have some good perks on the way. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream, and it's going to be a just a short live stream I'm going to run tonight. I am going to run a couple new videos here, and then I will basically come back and go through the what took place. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. As you guys come in, don't forget to like up the video. Very important, please and thank you. Helps the channel to go through the algorithm a lot faster. So I'm going to run a old uh, short video screen to pull up some stuff that I've done recently. So let's go here, and I'm going to scroll down here. And I'm going to run one video here while I share my screen. Okay,
Hello and
so
welcome
let's
to the
go.
YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. So in today's video, I'm basically tying in my circuits into the panel to prep for basically installing my breakers. So this is living room receptacle. So I'm just going to label this. It's always important to cut your wires one by one, just in case your wire is live. It will become a dead short and can really do some damage to you. So it's very important to cut your wires one by one. This is going to be a GFI for the bar. So GFI for the bar is not a 20 amp, it's a 14 amp. It's basically they're going to be having a bar in the living room and sorry inside the family room. So this will be beside my sink. So it'll be a GFI for the actual sink. And again, always try to cut your wires one by one, just in case your wire is live. You're not creating a dead short that will basically, it will blow this pliers up and give you some kind of shock. So as you can see, I cut my wires one by one. I never cut the other way, or I try not to. Once I know the circuit is live, I will never cut these three wires together. So I
Bless up
always,
yourself, Resilient Queen.
this way I will cut my
Again,
wires
thank
one
you
by
for
one because I never
stopping
know,
into
there
the
could be
live
obviously
stream,
a bat feed of some
the
sort.
continuous support. I've been fine, Resilient Queen. Uh, what about you?
And this is my last cable on this side.
Oh yeah, hard at work. I would say yes. And
This is basically saying a receptacle for
no,
the
I'm just
left side on the outside.
just a little bit tired, Resilient Queen. But you know how it is. I have to carry on with my streaming and just running up some videos and lives. Just running up some videos and like, oh, you're talking about the ones that you're doing presently, or you're going to be doing So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to Fabian Electric. Labeling, electrical labeling, meaning labeling the panel, troubleshooting, electrical installation, service installation, you name it. You're going to basically see it all here. Again, you can subscribe to the channel or become a member for some special perks that I'm going to be having pretty soon. So again, also here what we do also
So
is I go
basically,
live a
see
lot of times.
these grommets.
Also, I
These
do a lot of
grommets are
videos.
basically for
Yeah, man, and
class
thanks
2
for
wire
sharing
and
this
14
information
gauge
live.
wire.
Definitely,
This
Resilient
grommet I'm
Queen.
going to
It's
use
my
for
pleasure to
either a
just
stove wire or a number 6
just
wire.
you know letting everyone be aware. Okay, you're just checking out different channels. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, I haven't had that had the time to do that recently because I've been really busy doing a lot of work. You know, a lot of no, I was saying that while I'm here.
Okay, so this cable here, I'm just
Oh,
going to strip it.
I read that already. Special glove to protect your hands from shock. A lot of times, what I usually do is Resilient Queen. I will put on. They're called cotton gloves, and you can get them from the Home Depot. Anything under about 120 volts. Uh, I can basically wear those gloves, so I can wear them. And if I have under 120 volts, which you're allowed to perform electrical work live on 120 volts, you can simply wear high voltage working live. You actually have to have on the proper suit, which comes with proper gloves, which I do carry inside my vehicle. One of these days, I'll actually I'll show you guys what it looks like. They're pretty expensive, and those are the gloves that I would use if I was going to perform life work, uh, which I normally I don't do that. And then you have to, if you're going to work life like that, you have to have on the full suit when it comes to the full suit. You have to have on the coveralls, which has to be cotton, and that's basically it. Resilient Queen. It's a little bit more asked for, but yeah, that's basically how you go about it. Pull up my new stuff on. So let's run one more video here so I can get into the other stuff.
Hello and
Again,
welcome
this is
back to
going
the
to be
channel. And again,
a
as you come
short
in, don't forget to
live.
like the video. Please and thank you. Very important. And again, what we have here is simply a roughing that's going to be taking place. And when it comes to the attic, the installation has to be done to code along with every other installation. Same process. And what that means is my 2x4 that I have here, I'm going to be simply placing this 2x4 across the from one end to the other, Reason is I have some wires that I don't want to be damaged. Uh, when I say damaged, I don't need it to be damaged by someone walking inside of the attic when the installation is finished. Very easy for someone to damage these wires. So the rule states that you have to use some type of running board in order to protect our wires from being damaged, and that's what I'm simply going to be doing in this video. As you can see, the other running board up in the ceiling here, you can see how I place the running board. You can see how I place my wires on the side, neatly strapped down. Again, this is all to the electrical code. This will also help me pass my inspection. So
Okay, thanks. I got
again,
a
stay
Home
tuned
Depot
to
not
the
far.
video. Watch till the end to see
Thanks for
the
sharing. Oh, you're
rest of the
welcome,
installation.
resilient
And
queen.
again, this
Have you ever got
this will
shot,
help me
and what
to
did you
pass my
do to prevent
inspection
it from
once
happening?
I'm ready to book my
Um.
inspection.
Okay. So, being nothing dangerous, resilient queen. I'm very protective of my life when it comes to electrical, and the wrong move could pretty much mess you up pretty bad. So whatever shot I've received is probably been from a bat fed of maybe a neutral, which is a lot of times there's something
So
called
again, as you guys
dirty
come in, don't
power
forget to
in
like the
electrical,
video.
and
If
what
you can,
happens with dirty
hit
power
the like
is
button on the video.
that
Again, what I'm doing is placing my running boards in the attic of the home, which will allow me to pass my inspection. Normally, that's what the attic work. Once the installation is finished and the process is done, there's no telling who's going to walk into the attic, so it's best to always have this done before the drywall is basically what I'm putting is a running board. Anytime you have the attic, you have to put a running board to protect your wires from being damaged. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's a high ceiling, so I have to install a running board across wherever my wire is running, so I can obviously protect the wires from being damaged if someone has to walk in the attic or anything like that.
So back to your question, resilient queen. I've been zapped. It's nothing above 100 and you know 20 volts. I don't recall if I had 208 zap. I don't think so. Like I said, I'm very protective of me and my surroundings. So if I happen to get zap, it would have been from dirty power that was fed back into the receptacle. So, and what I do in that situation, I just pull my hand off. It's normally the reaction that you give, and when the reaction is pretty quick, then you're going to remove your hands pretty quick from the situation. So that's normally how it goes. If you're going to get a zap, you don't let it hold on to you. You always want to release yourself from it. So what I mean by release yourself is basically if you are going to get a zap, you're going to, your reflection has to be quick in order to let go yourself from it, and it's not going to do you anything. Definitely resilient queen. Again, thank you for stopping into the live stream today and giving the support towards the channel. So again, hello and welcome back to Electric. You're tuned into today's live stream where you're going to be seeing some work that I've done when it comes to anywhere from electrical installation, pot light installation, troubleshooting, um, service installation. You also have you're going to have in there EV charger installation, conduit installation, liquid type installation. So you're going to see everything here on this channel. Again, this channel is about electrical and what I do for daily. It's my daily job, and also I tend to mix it up a little. So if you guys ever want to have another topic, you just shoot it away inside of the chat, or you
So
can
basically, this is how.
post it
Hello,
in
welcome
the
back to my YouTube
community
channel. And
post.
in today's video, what I'm simply going to be showing is how I like to place my boxes before I start my wiring. Also, how I like to put my vapor barrier in the attic when it comes to my boxes. Very important. And again, for all those who hasn't
So I'm going to
subscribed
be
to
playing
the
this last
channel,
video and then
you
I'm
can
going
go
to
ahead and
share the
subscribe to the
screen.
channel. You can also make sure that notification is turned to all. Also, you can like and share the video, and stay tuned for the entire video. And I will catch you guys on the next live.
Okay, so again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into today's live stream, and you're tuned in today with Fabian Electric, where we do anything from electrical installation, conduit installation, liquid type installation, uh, you name it. And today we're going to be watching a couple videos on the lighting. Also, I'm going to have a video of a little bit of troubleshooting and also a little bit of labeling. Very short videos. Okay, so let's play this. So again, I'm just waiting to my
circuit at the panel. So as you can see, this is all lit green, and then I'm going to go over to the panel, and I'm basically going to shut that circuit down. And once I hear my beep, then I know that my reset pickup is off. So then it's okay to troubleshoot. Troubleshoot basically means that you have to either label or you have to make sure you're set to fully run. So in this video, I'm going to be doing the reverse. I'm trying to find my circuit, and then that I'm going to go over to the panel, and I'm basically going to shut that circuit down. And once I hear my beep, then I know that my receptacle is off. So there you have it there. Again, the troubleshooting I simply mean that it's easier for you to have a plug-in tester than to basically have someone stand here and do the work while they could be doing something else that's very important on the job. So again, you can see this receptacle is off.
Mm.
So again, see that plug is beeping, which means that they're basically on the same circuit. So we're going to just verify that. There you have it. So the reason why I'm troubleshooting right now is because I want to enable my circuit, which is part of the final inspection, which is the panel. And you can see I have installed right on my tags here. Now the breaker that was off was this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's normally a writing on here also that you can tell. And again, that's number 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there you have it. And I'm going to label this now. This is going to be basement. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also become a member of the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
So hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, I'm going to run another video here, another older video, and then I'm going to run a new video. Again, it's going to be a short live stream. So that video just now was basically about troubleshooting shooting. And a lot of times when you're troubleshooting, it's a lot easier to have your plug-in tester. It gets the job done really fast. It's a really good electrical tester to have. And as you can see by the video, once you shut your circuit down, you want to see that the lights are all green. Once the lights are all green, that means that your receptacle is perfectly fine. There's a set of markings on there that will guide you on how to use that tester. It's pretty simple to use, and it's my go-to tester when I'm doing my electrical troubleshooting. It's also great, like I said, when you're in a tight jam. I always make sure that I have that tester with me. Uh, Again, it's only used for plugins, and you saw how I just did it. I plugged it into the receptacle, which is live, and I simply go to the panel. And the reason why this tester is so great is because you can stay from a distance and hear the beep, which is going to let you know that your electrical circuit is pretty much off. And once you hear that beep, then you know that it's dead. There's nothing there, and that's how I basically troubleshoot my receptacles on a daily basis with that particular tester that I use. Again, there are many different types of testers that you can use, but for me, I prefer that one. It works pretty good, and it's solid. I've had it for a while, and it hasn't broken as yet, opposed to the other electrical plug-in testers that I had before. So again, I'm going to run another video here. It's going to be is of the electrical 400 amp disconnect. And hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the video. You can subscribe to the channel. You can become a member of the channel. You can stay up to date to my perks. And what we have here is basically a 400 amp electrical installation of the disconnect. When it comes to the disconnect, it's a heavy duty service, and you have to have the proper bolts when you're using when you're going to be installing this. As you can see, I have 2x4 on the back here place, so I've pretty much strengthened the back side of the installation for the 400 amps disconnect. I've reinforced it where if there's anything, this disconnect is not going to come off the wall. Again, it's a 400 amp fusible disconnect, and the size of the cable, the electrical cable that was ran for the electrical installation was basically 250 mil 250 kc mil parallel feeds, and that's what the city is going to require you to basically do to meet the electrical installation. Again, all within the code compliance, following the code rules. Uh, so again, everything that we do is regarding the electrical code book that we have. All of our rules comes out of there. And again, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see a lot more of this content. You're going to see the grounding of this particular disconnect. You're also going to see me tying in my main feeds. So this happens to be one of my videos where you're seeing the main already tied in, but a lot of my previous videos you're going to see that I'm actually working on the installation of this 200 amp 400 amp electrical disconnect. You're going to see me also phasing the cable. So again, that is another code compliance that we have to follow. So everything here that you're looking at has to be up to code. We also have to have our CSA approved sticker on this 400 amp disconnect. Very important when it comes to the installation to have the sticker. So what basically happens is if, or an electrical panel or electrical disconnect or electrical meter base, whatever it may be, you have to have some type of sticker on the panel where it's going to, and that's what they normally look for. And if you don't have that sticker on the panel or on the disconnect itself, even on the meter base, even on our electrical wires that we use for the electrical installation, the list goes on. You're going to run into some problems when it comes to having your job passed, when it comes to having a permit, because that's what the electrical inspector is going to be looking for when it comes down to having your job pass. So as you can see, there's a sticker on the door of the electrical disconnect, and this is what basically tells the inspector that this is a CSA approved equipment. So again, a lot of times with these equipment, they're not supposed to be modified also, unless it's approved. So also, as you can see right here, it's the 250 kc mil parallel feeds. These cables are the ones that are coming from the meter. Basically comes into the top of the electrical disconnect, and it goes on to the your electrical lugs right here where I'm pointing right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And the set of electrical cables that are on the left hand side. If you're looking at the disconnect, so again, this is a technique that I normally use when it comes to turning my tightening my lugs, tightening my screws. If I have my Allen keys, I'm simply going to just use my pliers to basically turn to make sure that I'm following the correct torquing procedure. And again, there is a torquing procedure when it comes to your heavy equipment. Um, has to be torqued pretty well in order. Also, this service installation is going to require me using the no lots. And what no lots is simply something that is going to be used on all aluminum wires. It pretty much it's a so basically the set of no lots. If you don't see it in this video, I'm pretty sure you're going to see it here, which is only the aluminum cable. Also, I also make sure that none of the no lots goes on the cable itself. On your electrical cable, it is going to be a defect. So that's why you see that I'm cleaning it off right now. I don't want any of that on my wire. It's going to prevent the actual cable from performing at its best. And actually, this is a code rule, believe it or not, and it's a code rule that I never knew until I was actually doing a service installation, and allowed me to learn a lot more also as you go. And I was informed that actually going to be a defect. So I simply had to clean that off of the wire in order to avoid is so big that there's so much in there that you have to know how to maneuver inside of the electrical code book in order to find what you're looking for. But it is a code rule, and obviously I haven't forgotten that code rule. And the thing with defects when it comes to your work is every inside of your electrical code book. If you have a defect, you're going to remember that defect, and you're going to also remember how to get to that defect. So again, sometimes it's best to learn a little bit more than to not learn at all. So I'm going to run another video here quick, another one of my old videos, and then I'm going to pull up a new video. So what we have here, we have simply, this is going to be a panel change out. I know it's a little bit tight here, but I had no room to play with. It was basically framed out before I did the service, and the reason why the panel is the way it is right now is because the service is coming from the bottom, and I couldn't flip this panel the other way because there's obviously a code rule on that. There's actually a height that your breaker is supposed to be within. So it obviously didn't. It wouldn't pass inspection if I had flip it in the right position. This panel, this
Again,
electrical
never cut
panel was
two wires
actually
at the same time. Always one for one.
turned the other way just to have my service connected, which is allowed by code. Again, as long as I stay within the electrical code compliance. So what we have here again, this is a 100 amp electrical service installation. It's a 100 amp electrical panel swap out for swap out. And again, if you find my videos, you're going to see there's a actually more videos on this actual installation itself. So a lot of you, if you're interested in this type of work, I do have more videos inside of my channel that have a lot of service installation. So as you can see, I like to label my wires. I like to know what I'm putting inside of the panel, because at the end of the job, at the before I get my electrical inspection, my final, I have to make sure that the electrical panel, the electrical installation of my panel is labeled correctly. That's part of the code compliance with the ESA. They want to make sure that everything inside of the home, everything when it comes to all my electrical breakers, they want to make sure that there's a destination point where we can troubleshoot and go to the actual outlet like I was doing in my previous video and shut that breaker down. That's the reason why we have to actually label the panel. It makes it a lot easier to troubleshoot when your panel is labeled correctly. So again, I'm going to run this video here. Then I'm going to share the screen one more time here again. So let's. So again, hello, welcome back to the channel. And I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to Fabian Electric. Again, as you come in, don't forget to like up the live stream today. You can also become a member of the channel, or you can also subscribe to the channel to stay updated. So again, what we do here, we do a lot of electrical installation. We do a lot of electrical 400 amp panel installation. We also do a lot of electrical EV chargers installation, you name it.
Wire is not going
Um,
right here, so I'm just going to shift
you
this breaker up.
know, a lot of electrical part lights. We do consisting of the panel installation. You're going to see a lot of electrical installation. You name it, you're going to
And voila. Uh, that's another exciting video. Also, please like, share, and comment. Um, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Why I like to have my tester is because it saves me a lot of thread. So I have the tester inside of the receptacle, and I'm going to shut on the receptacle to make sure that I can tired. So figuring out the quickest way to maximize your time is important when it comes to have the tester inside of the receptacle to make sure that I can it's going to reset itself. That's why that happened. And again, the reason why we have to troubleshoot is because at the end of the job, we also have to make sure that all these plugs are working to code. Um, and normally what's going to happen is the inspector is going to come in and he's going to basically go to this breaker and he's going to want to make sure everything in the home on that line is working. I'm going to flip this breaker back on. Again, that's just a temporary breaker that I use. Also, keep in mind, I still have to change that out to the proper breaker for the final inspection because it has to be on the mark for it. So again, as you can see, this is really the other line from my receptacle. So the last receptacle is working. For the final. So again, this is me troubleshooting install my plates. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe.
So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. And again, I would like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. Again, this is a very short live stream. And again, also I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time out. Again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to Fabian Electric, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can become a member of the channel also. Also, you can stay up to date to my content and You can also make sure your notification is turned to all. That way, when I do drop my notification, it will come to you guys safe and sound. So again, today's live stream was basically about a short, very short live stream. So for all those who missed the beginning of the live stream and who catch back the live stream on the replay, you're going to simply see some panel installation explanation. You're going to see some electrical 400 amp disconnect installation explanation. You're also going to see one electrical panel installation, which was swapped out for an old electrical panel, old electrical 100 amp panel to a new electrical 100 amp panel. Eaton is the name of the new panel. And you're also going to see in the live stream today a little bit of troubleshooting on the live stream today, how I normally troubleshoot. I go about my troubleshooting, my electrical troubleshoot. Important to me. I find that when it comes to your electrical troubleshooting, it takes time. Uh, there's a lot of little things here and there that you tend to remember as you grow within the field. Stuff that you don't forget, and you simply can put the pieces together in order to figure out your troubleshooting. Again, sometimes it takes longer. It all depends on the situation. All depends on how your day is going when it comes to troubleshooting. Always best to have your electrical testers, whether it be your meter or your little pen tester or your plug-in tester. For me, I always make sure that I have all three of those, and I also make sure that I have extra batteries sitting around. Uh, you're also going to hear the conversation of when it comes to working live, how I go about working live, when the times are tough. You're also going to hear about a little bit of the when it comes to the code book. New to the channel, new on the live stream today, don't forget to subscribe to the Fabian Electric, become a channel member, subscriber of the channel. And again, I will catch you guys on the next live stream.